The Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer offers high performance and versatility in a compact and user-friendly design, making it an ideal choice for small spaces like apartments, dormitories, rooms, and RVs. With an internal capacity of 2.65 cubic feet, this compact dryer can hold up to 10.5 pounds of wet clothes or 6.5 pounds of dry clothes. Powered by 1050W and capable of reaching a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, it provides efficient and effective drying for different types of clothing items. Its apartment-size design, 19.3 by 17.7 by 27 in, makes it a perfect fit for tight spaces. The dryer features 7 drying modes to cater to various needs. From cool down for cold air to warm and hot for standard and large clothes drying, to anti-wrinkle, air DRY, intelligent, and eco mode for energy-saving options, it offers flexibility and convenience. The intelligent mode adjusts the heating time based on humidity levels. The updated stainless steel drum design and internal physical structure ensure durability, even heat distribution, and effective removal of lint and hair. Notably, the ECO energy-saving mode offers a unique blend of cold and hot air for optimal efficiency. Opening and closing the door in this mode won't affect the remaining time, contributing to energy conservation. The mini dryer's 10-20 watts of drying power and overheat protection provide peace of mind and the flexibility to enjoy fresh, dry clothes wherever you are. The user-friendly design includes everything you need for installation: 1 dryer, 2 plastic spacers, 2 hanging brackets, 1 exhaust fitting, 1 exhaust pipe, and 8 screws. ETL and DOE certifications ensure safety and quality, backed by a 1-year warranty. The professional after-sales team is ready to address any questions or concerns. In summary, the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer combines high performance, energy efficiency, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for those in need of a compact and reliable drying solution in limited spaces.